This is the newly replaced elevator in an apartment building in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, student apartment building. This was originally a gated Houghton elevator, probably hand operated or something. It got modernized by Westinghouse with EPCO SSL in the 80s and possibly automated while it was automatic. But now the apartment building's been completely renovated and gutted, and sadly this elevator got completely replaced by Wright Elevators Innovation Universal. It's California code compliant, which is kind of interesting. Very sad. Right elevator. Go to 9. Here we go up. I don't know if this elevator is under regular passenger service or temp construction. I think it's under regular passenger. There's still a lot of construction going on in this building. Not even sure if anyone's in here. I don't think so. Yeah, the main passenger elevators here were modernized by Eastern like 2013. I think those ones haven't been touched, except maybe the cab. Here, 9. I don't know what this cab even is, because it's still covered with styrofoam. Call them the second floor. Go back down to the basement. Not sure control this one. It might be on Galaxy, but I'm not really sure. It's a basic, again, styrofoam cab. Yeah, I can't tell what it is. It might just be completely incomplete. That's like the temporary, yeah, 2000 is definitely, I think this is bigger than 2000. I guess it is 2000, but I think that's temporary construction. Oh, that's the cab, it's like that. I don't know, it was like some Eastern reviews. Yeah, I bet they probably did the cab with the main ones, but other than that, they which was just JL. The basement. Probably not going to get.